Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvs Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got a set of twins in the bay today. Both really good looking bikes. Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvs Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. This is King Kong version 2.0. We originally built this bike 2 years ago, came back from some upgrades. The bike sounded really good before, but it had no bass. There was nothing in the bags. So he went all the way in, upgraded to a set of 10s. So we have Nvs Audio, 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the 3K, upgraded the PRVs to the PRV carbon fibers, and ran 2 evox 804s. This thing is incredible now. Now it sounds as great as it looks. It sounded good before, and now it sounds great.
VVS on my wrist. I'm on your up, get you the list. I got it all, you